Hey, hello friends, welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. Yesterday we discussed about one of the issues related to cache discount condition type. Now we will see the basic support cache discount condition types, why we need to use this one, what's the benefit to the customer, and what steps that we need to follow to configure this cache discount. So first of all, what is cache discount condition types? So cache discount condition types in SAP SD are used to define the and manage discounts to the customers. Let's say, for example, we are issuing the invoice to the customer and we are requesting the customer to pay the invoice within 10 days after receiving the invoice copy. If he pay within 10 days after receiving the invoice copy, then he will get some discount like 10%, 20% from the invoice total value. This is the basically the cash discount. So if he pays after 10 days means then he won't get any discounts at all. And we will be configuring this how much discount should be given will be controlled in the payment terms configuration. The T code is OBB8. Okay, so let me explain you with one example. The total invoice value is 100 euros, and in payment terms it's maintained that 10% discount if paid within 10 days. Okay, so if the invoice amount is settled within 10 days means then he will get a 10% discount. That is, he just needs to pay only 90 euros needs to pay. So this is the cash discount will be given to the customer, and in payment terms only we will maintain this information. Okay, the main use of our benefits, we can say that with help of cash discount condition types are, so it will encourage to pay earlier. So early payments, and it will improve the cash flow in the organization. So these are the two main reasons of this cash discount condition types. One is payment will happen very earlier and cash flow will be more in the company. Okay, now let's see the configuration steps that we need to follow. As I said earlier, we need to configure the payment terms in OBB8. This is the first step. So in payment terms only, we'll define 10% discount, 20% discount. If they pay within 10 days or 20 days, like that, we will configure in the payment terms. In OBY6, need to enable the flag. There is one config available in OBY6 that should be enabled. That is set base discount base amount. So this field we need to enable in OBY6 of the company code data. And in material master MM02, there is a one field MVKE table SKTOF. There is one field called cash discount. In material master, the table is MVKE and the field here is that SKTOF. So we should enable this field. This is one of the prerequisite to determine the cash discount condition types to the order or invoice level. This should be maintained first. Then as usual, the last step is to include the cash discount condition types in pricing procedure. So if you follow these steps means we can determine the cash discount condition steps to the order invoice level. And one more thing is that there is no need to maintain the condition records for this cash discount condition types because it will be calculated with the help of the routine alt calculation routine. So no need to maintain it specifically. Now let's see different type of condition types related to cash discount. Okay, the first one is that SKTO. Next one is SKTV. The difference between SKTO and SKTV is that SKTV is in group condition and SKTV will be the item level condition. So item wise, the cash discount will be applied. And remember that cash discount condition types are both are statistical condition types. Statistical in the sense the net value of the condition type won't be impacted with this condition type. For example, cash discount is 10 euros, the net value of that item is 100 euros, then this 10 euros won't be added to the net value. It won't any impact on that net value. It won't impact. It's simply a statistical data only. And one more thing is that in case of an account posting, this condition won't impact anything there also. No posting will happen for this condition type data. So you might ask when to use which condition type now. So if you speak about SKTO, if you want to apply the cash discount for every item wise, so that means every item's discount will be calculated independently, irrespective of the other item has an condition discount, cash discount or not. And if you want to go for a cash discount based on the group of total value of items, so there are few items are there, and if you want to combine all the items values, then you want to apply the cash discount means that time we should go for SKTV. So for example, in case of SKTO, each item gets 2% discount individually. In case of SKTV, the system try to accumulate value of all the three items. For example, in this case three items I have considered, it might depends value of all the item values, then propose the cash discount 2%. So this is how this cash discount will work in the system. If you have any further questions or queries means, please do let me know in the comment section. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.